Good morning. Happy December 11th. Good morning, Sage. Posting a little earlier than normal because I had to get up early and take Jack to the vet. He is getting fixed today. So I'm short one black cat. Ooh, that's very pretty. This one is Sage is sitting on that. This is Hazelnut. We've had this one. I remember it being very good. Still very good. Very, very nice. Can you get this window for me? This one right here? They're kind of hard to open. You got it? Oh, this one's really hard. I can feel the plastic right here. Oh, this is a new one. It's just an oddly wrapped silver. Not the prettiest candy in the world. Alrighty then. Did they forget to do the specialty wrapper? Nutmeg has joined the party. Nutmeg, you want to open this one right here? No? Oh look, it's a duplicate. It's a goodie, but a duplicate nonetheless. Maybe I should have had my Dr. Pepper before I opened these. I woke up too early, Nutmeg. I'm a bit crabby. Why is there gotta be duplicates? Why? All right, here we go, guys. Your favorites. Now let me use this one. Number 11. What do we got for you today? Oh my God, I cannot get this open. Here we go. It's the soft, chewy ones. These are good. These are good. You're gonna like these. You do like these. But you gotta give me a second to cut this open because they did not make this packaging easy. No, they did not. It's probably a good idea because you guys would be tearing into this like crazy. But, all right, hold on. I gotta get it out. Here, let me distract you. One for you and one for you. No, that's yours. Oh, I dropped one over here. Nutmeg, you can have another. All right, Sage, you can have another. I know Danny's around. Danny. Danny and Sally are still here. Danny goes to... Sally, do you want a snack? Sally, you want a snack? Come here. Do you want a snack? Yes, you do. We gotta fatten you up for your vet appointment next week. Have another. I think I'm gonna give them all to you because you need to gain 3 ounces. There you go. All right, here is the pop-up advent calendar. Day 11. Ooh, it's Oogie Boogie. There we go. Oh, I dropped him. Merry Christmas.